Hey, what's up guys? So I'm going to show you what I'm actually going to do with my 220 gallon aquarium. So right here, this is my room. This is like my massage table right here. So the massages are done. Let me show you this. So, grab this stuff. I actually had this stuff for over a month. Actually almost a year.
Shit.
Yeah, grab this.
You bought a lot of stuff, huh?
Yeah, a lot of stuff. I know, I've been wanting to do this project for a long time, but the only thing it's kind of like something you've never done, so you're kind of scared to fuck it up. And the problem is not only to fuck it up, is that you could fuck up your house if this leaks. You know, it's a huge aquarium. So
Can we see the aquarium?
yeah, we'll see it after. How many boxes I got?
Holy fuck,
Yeah,
man.
I'm trying to like organize this.
Oh man.
Yeah, I might have more. I have more stock coming in. I got also something to cool off the water. Got some conditioner. Got everything.
Let me take that. Woo.
So yeah, basically they'll all have a different purpose. So the plan is to actually get everything automatic, so I don't have to do as much work. And I made a lot of researches, and that's actually my first aquarium I'm doing. So I'm kind of scared a bit. I'm not too sure what I'm doing, but I'm just making a lot of researches, and hopefully it works out. Because as you can see, there's a lot of budget here, and I have more stuff coming in. So we'll see where this goes. I'll guide you guys through what I do, and we'll see. Take care, guys.